Are you stress eating again? Leave the extra calories alone, because we have prepared 6 soothing things of big size for you. Gigantic Mentos, a huge stress ball, or enormous Nutella. Watch and choose. A nail salon at home is always a nice idea. The girls are redoing their nails for the 3rd time, but apparently the cuticle decides to set up a boycott today. Let's forget about sad stuff and treat ourselves with something sweet. Or, let's better reduce stress with gigantic Mentos. Redhead offers me a whole set of stress-relieving candies. Print a Mentos label and attach it to an empty Pringles box. Cover the lid with pink acrylic paint. Now, let's make candies. Cover Orbeez balls with water. Let them bloat. Cut an empty plastic bottle. Pull a thick balloon on the neck of the bottle. Fill it with the Orbeez using the bottle as a funnel. Tie the balloon to make a knot when it is full of balls. And the first stress candy is ready. It's a very simple and quick way to make your mood better. You would never let this balloon out of your hands. Blow a balloon and twist it. And pull it onto a bottle with Semolina carefully so that the balloon still has air inside. Turn over the bottle and move the Semolina to the balloon. This pink stress baby feels very nice when you touch it. Time flies when you have it, and your stress flies away quickly too. Pour paper glue into a container. Add acrylic paint to it. Add a bit of liquid washing product, Persil color gel to the mixture, and mix it until the slime gets thick. Put the slime into the ball when it is ready and tie a knot. The process of making this toy is as pleasant as the result. A balloon and a slime is a match made in heaven. This stress ball is a must-have for emotional people. Fill one more balloon with silicone sealant. This building supply looks really interesting inside the balloon. When you touch it, it feels really soothing, just the same as its neighbors. Put plastic bullets into the last balloon using a funnel. And tie it up tightly. Say no to weapons with this stress ball, even if it's a toy weapon. Vicky gets bored with the plastic bullets quickly. But there are still so many tactile surprises in this big Mentos box. Orbeez balls or a soft slime? Choose whichever you want, just don't take the last stress reliever. Redhead's inner greed comes out into the open. She wants to be the queen of all the balloons. But Vicky is not ready for the property division. She likes this stress reliever too. But the balloon was the one who suffered the most in this quick quarrel. A new exercise to relieve stress is to pick up the Orbeez balls that have gone all over the room. Vicky has been getting ready for the whole day to welcome her friend. She baked delicious cookies. She only needs to add a final touch, powdered sugar. But she sneezes all of a sudden, and the whole sugar happens to be on her face. What kind of pastry makeup is that? Vicky is totally annoyed, and she starts chewing on candies. Redhead appears unexpectedly as usual. She's prepared an amazing stress-relieving XXL candies to calm her friend down. Take a clear garden hose and cut it into long tubes. Cover every tube with hot glue from one side. Add food colorings of different colors to the water. Fill a syringe with colored water and pour it into a tube. Fill the rest with vegetable oil. Crumble a pill of aspirin to get tiny pieces. Put a piece of the pill into water. Once the aspirin gets into the water, it creates bubbles. They lift up to the level of oil, and it has created the effect of a lava lamp. Hot glue the second end of the tube. Fill all the tubes this way. Make lava candies of different colors. Hot glue a piece of paper of appropriate size to make a cone for the package. Put the lava candies inside. And hot glue the second end of the package. Print a label and wrap it with clear tape to make it thicker. Attach it to the package. There is a whole set of stress-relieving tubes inside the package. Turn them over and watch how colorful drops calm you down. Vicky becomes happier at once, and the cookies do not seem so bad now, and the day doesn't seem wasted now. To tell the truth, powdered sugar makes her face look aristocratic. Vicky chooses a great angle for a photo, but apparently someone had a lot to eat during the holidays. It's time to get my act together and get fit as fast as possible, but regular pillows definitely won't help me with it. Vicky is ready to sink into depression, but her friend appears with an interesting balloon in her hands. It's a big stress ball, and it will put you into a good mood. Pour Silicate stationery glue into a big container and squeeze out a bit of shaving foam. Mix it. Add acrylic paint and liquid washing product, Persil color gel. Mix it thoroughly to get a slime consistency and add glitter. Cut a big plastic bottle and make a funnel. Pull a big balloon onto the neck of the bottle and put the slime in it. Tie the balloon. Vicky really likes the balloon. It feels like some kind of magical mass when you touch it. She has already come up with an idea on how to use it. You may use this stress ball for a workout, like ab exercises, and lift it instead of dumbbells. This is how a stress ball turns into a fitness ball, because working out reduces stress too. I want to cover a piece of bread with chocolate spread, but there is a surprise waiting for me in the fridge. My Nutella has a big sister now. I'm so lucky! Paint a big plastic jar in brown so that it looks like Nutella. Paint the lid in white. Cover the jar with clear spray when the paint is dry. It will create a shiny effect. Print out a Nutella label and attach it on top. Mix Silicate stationery glue and white glue in a container. Mix it and add brown acrylic paint. Add the liquid washing product, Persil color gel, to the mixture. Stir the mixture to get a slime consistency. Prepare 2 portions of slime in this way and fill the Nutella jar with it to the top. I struggle to open the Nutella Giantella jar, but there is a disappointment waiting for me inside. There is a weird mass instead of chocolate spread inside. My friend hurries up to calm me down. A gigantic slime lives inside the Nutella jar. It is great fun to play with it. You can even cover the entire table with the chocolate paste. And the most important thing is that there are no dirty traces after this Nutella. Redhead has gotten completely cold. Neither a blanket, nor a snowball, or a tanning salon membership can warm her up. And Vicky is warmed up by the thought of a summer vacation. This is why she changes a winter ball for a summer one quickly. Aloha Flamingo! Take a big clear jar with a lid. Cover it with white acrylic paint. Cut a foam plastic ball to fit the size of the jar and hot glue it inside. Paint the foam plastic in gold. Sprinkle it with dry sand while the acrylic paint is still wet. Press the sand with your fingers a bit and cover it with clear spray on top to secure it. Sprinkle with gold glitter. Take an empty EOS container. Take a wire and shape it into a flamingo neck and crossed flamingo legs. Make the figure voluminous with hot glue. Cool down the hot glue in water and shape it into a head and a neck. Attach the details to an EOS container. Stick the flamingo into foam plastic and paint the figure with pink nail polish. Cover the beak, legs, and eyes with black. Draw a purple wing from the side. Make accents with white acrylic paint. Attach artificial grass and stones to the sand. Put fluffy pom-poms with Lurex inside the jar and colorful glitter. Pour glycerol inside and fill it with water to the top, and close it with the flamingo lid and turn the jar over. Endless summer in the jar warms up Redhead at once. She got carried away with the flamingo that she didn't even notice her friend disappearing. Meet you at the resort! Did you like our big stress-relieving ideas? Then write in your comments how you calm your nerves down. Do you play with a gigantic Nutella? Need Mentos candies? Or meditate and wait for a hot summer? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new ideas on the Troom Troom channel.